In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email address from Gmail memory. If you've ever started typing an address and Gmail keeps suggesting an old or incorrect one, this walkthrough will help you clear that suggestion so it stops popping up. We'll do this by removing the saved entry from Google Contacts. Go ahead and open your web browser and head to Google Contacts. Make sure you're signed in to the same Google account you use for Gmail because contacts are tied to that account. Once you're in Google Contacts, look to the left-hand sidebar and navigate to the section called Other Contacts. This is where Google keeps addresses it has learned from your past email activity, even if you never saved them as full contacts. These are the sources of most autocomplete suggestions in Gmail. Opening Other Contacts lets you review and manage those automatically stored entries. Next, find the email address you want to remove. The quickest way is to use the search bar at the top of the contacts page. Type part of the email address or the name associated with it, then scan the results. If you see multiple similar entries, open the one that matches the exact address that keeps appearing in Gmail. Taking a moment here helps ensure you're deleting the correct suggestion and not a different contact you still need. When you've located the right entry, click the three-dot More Actions icon. You'll usually see this on the contact card or near the top when the contact is open. From that menu, choose Delete. A confirmation box will appear so you can double-check your choice. Click Delete again to confirm. This removes the entry from your contacts database, specifically from that other contacts area. After this, Gmail will forget that suggestion. The next time you compose a message and start typing the address, the deleted one should no longer appear in autocomplete. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete any emails from your inbox or sent mail. It only removes the saved address that drives the suggestion. If you email that address again in the future, Gmail may save it back into other contacts, so repeat the same process if needed. That's all there is to it. You went to Google Contacts, opened other contacts, found the exact address, used the three-dot menu to delete it, confirmed the removal, and now Gmail won't suggest it anymore. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more clear, practical Gmail tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.